Good morning, Karin. It's nothing else than execution of our strategy, and it's nothing else than hard work of our good colleagues. Big thank you to all of them.
Do you want to just give us a bit more color around that? I mentioned in the numbers today, you said cost discipline was here. You're also talking about de-risking, contributing to the margin. To what extent can this expand further from the 5.1%?
It will expand further. We promised for next year 5% plus for the full year on the EBITDA level. Where is it coming from? Cost discipline is one thing, the efficiency program, what we are on the way to implement and finalizing at the end of the year will give us to the bottom line more than 40 million euro, which is roughly 1% EBITDA more. Then our self-propelled growth, which means we stopped like in US, that's actually the reason for negative order intake. We stopped quite a lot of business, but we don't want to go on worldwide in the United States. And that decreased our order intake, but we at the same time created quite a lot of additional growth, our products in existing markets all over. And that, of course, creates quite a good profitability run.
Thomas, do you want to tackle the question around Germany? You've mentioned it in your release, saying that the skepticism in the market regarding the German economy. Is this manifesting itself in some of the demand numbers, the orders numbers that you're seeing at this point?
It's actually quite an interesting question because this is not ongoing since a week. We are talking here about a multi-year impact on the German industry, especially on the high energy industry. We heard last week that the German government is giving some relief regarding tax and additional cost into the industry, into the high energy demanding industry. And we see throughout the industry more and more questions if they should invest in Germany or not. At the same time, I have to raise that the whole government and the society is running for a higher sustainability level. So we have two kinds of demands at the moment in Germany for all industries, especially for the high energy industry. Higher efficiency and at the same time getting sustainability more and more through. And that is actually the core of our company.
Thomas, good morning to you. I wanted to just go back a little bit perhaps to those margins. I mean, sustaining them in what is effectively a high inflationary environment, or the pain of sustained inflationary environment that we're currently seeing ourselves in. How are you able to maintain that margin then, not just for the full year, but beyond?
It starts with the top line. You take that where you can earn money on it. That sounds a little bit simple, but as you see with our restructuring process in US, if you don't do it, you have to do tougher cuts. And that is what we did with the order intake actually in the last 12 months. Second, you have to have your cost under control. Our cost efficiency program, our program to reduce roughly 1/3 of all the admin positions in the group actually pays off a lot. And the main payoff will be next year and then the years to come. Then another element is clear investment, strategic investment into training and education, because we have a lack of competent, qualified workers, not only in Germany, actually across all the regions we work. And we decided a year ago when we announced the efficiency program to take 1/4 of the savings of the efficiency program back into training and education. And then the last is, of course, to optimize your value chain, which means you work from your suppliers towards the clients to explain what you do, to explain what you add value in efficiency and sustainability, and you calculate for the client the return, what they get in a positive way if they work with us.
Then how does the acquisition of Stork add to some of the efficiencies you're looking to create within the business?
We want to be the #1 in efficiency and sustainability for our customers to create that. The Stork acquisition, especially in Belgium and the Netherlands, brings us closer to that target. We are able to offer more services, and you can imagine as more you offer towards the value chain of the clients, as more you can impact efficiency, which means as more our clients earn money more when we are done with our work.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.